In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage line jumps in draw.io diagrams for Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make overlapping connectors easier to read and how to fix the most common issues when jumps don't appear as expected. Start by opening Confluence and creating a new page so you have a clean workspace. This gives you a place to add or edit a draw.io diagram inside the page. Once your diagram is open in the editor, we'll focus on two reliable ways to control line jumps. First, let's use the Style tab. Click a connector to select it. If you want to change several at once, hold Shift and click each connector you want to include. On the right side of the editor, look for the Format panel and switch to the Style tab. Here you'll find an option called Line Jumps. Turn this on to enable jumps on the selected connectors. If your lines actually cross, you'll see a visible break or arch where they intersect, making the path of each line clear. To fine-tune the look, use the drop-down next to line jumps to choose a style, such as arc or gap. Arc draws a small curve over the crossing line, while gap creates a clean break in the line beneath. Adjust the size slider to make the jump more subtle or more pronounced depending on your diagram's density. A quick tip: zoom in a bit when adjusting size so you can judge readability at the scale your audience will use. If a line jump isn't appearing correctly, the stacking order might be the reason. That's where the second method comes in, controlling line layering. Right-click the connector that should appear on top at the crossing point, then choose to front from the context menu. This brings that connector above other overlapping lines so the jump displays the way you intended. After bringing it to the front, glance back at the Style tab to confirm that line jumps is still enabled for that connector. Also, make sure the lines truly intersect. Jumps only appear where there's an actual crossing, not when lines are close but not touching. With these two methods, toggling and styling line jumps in the Style tab and ensuring the correct connector is on top, you can clean up complex diagrams, guide the viewer's eye, and reduce confusion at busy intersections. Apply these changes to one connector or multiple at once. Keep your zoom and size in mind for clarity, and you'll have professional, readable diagrams ready to publish in Confluence.